Hello everybody. On this video, I will show you how to convert the disk from MBR to GPT without losing data using EaseUS Partition Master. This app will help you to convert your BIOS firmware to EFI in order to upgrade to Windows 11 even if you have a dynamic or logical partition, or if you have Windows 10 build 1702 or older edition, in which the disk conversion will fail with an error message saying that MBR to GPT is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program, or batch file. Firstly, you have to download the EaseUS Partition Master or EPM app. The link is available in the video description and pinned comment. Click the app installer to launch the installation wizard. Click on Custom Install if you want to change app language or installation path. Or click on Install button to start the installation process using default options. As shown on the installation wizard, the app supports disk clone, backup, data recovery, and many more disk management options. There is a lifetime activation key for this app as a free gift for my channel subscribers. So if you are interested on the app, you can get the key from the video description below. How to convert the disk to GPT without losing data. Important note, before converting the disk into GPT, make sure that your BIOS firmware supports booting in EFI mode, because the Windows won't boot again until you convert the disk scheme back into MBR system using EaseUS Partition Master in another computer. If you are sure that your computer supports EFI boot, then you can convert the disk from MBR to GPT as followings. Select the disk that contains C or boot partition and then click on Convert to GPT option. Click on Execute one operation option and then click on Apply. Click Yes to reboot the computer to allow the conversion process to complete. Once the process is completed, the computer will fail to boot with an error message saying that an operating system wasn't found or similar error. This error indicates that the conversion completed successfully, so you have to change the BIOS firmware from legacy or BIOS to UEFI as followings. Power off your computer completely. Power it on and press F2 key or another key repeatedly to open BIOS settings. These are the common keys that can be used to open BIOS menu in different computers. Navigate to boot panel and then change boot mode from legacy to UEFI. In some computers, you have to disable legacy support in order to enable EFI mode. You may need also to change the SATA controller mode to AHCI. Navigate to exit menu and then click on exit saving changes option to boot into Windows. The EaseUS Partition Master app will launch with Windows to complete the conversion process. As you can see, the computer booted without error, and the disk converted to GPT successfully, as indicated by the asterisk under the GPT column. How to fix disk layout validation failed for disk 0. If you have a logical or dynamic disk or if there are 4 or more partitions on the disk, MBR to GPT command will fail to convert the disk to GPT with an error message saying that disk layout validation failed for disk 0. To fix that, do the followings. Launch the EaseUS Partition Master app. If you have more than one disk, right-click the one that contains C partition and then select Convert to Basic option. Click OK to continue. Click on Execute one operation option and then click on Apply. Click OK to reboot your system. This operation will convert the disk from dynamic or logical to basic without losing data. Now, start the EPM app and then convert the disk to GPT as you have seen previously. As you can see, the disk was successfully converted from dynamic to basic and from MBR to GPT without losing data using the EaseUS Partition Master app. Finally, if you like this software and its features, you can get its download link and the activation key in the video description or in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, leave a comment and subscribe.